You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.